everyone, welcome to my channel guys. So this is going to be a college essentials vlog. इसमें मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि एज अ स्टूडेंट व्हेन यू मूव इन टू अ पीजी और अ हॉस्टल, सो आपको क्या क्या लाइक बेसिक चीज़ें जो बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट्स है विच आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट वो सब कैरी करनी है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड रिकमेंड कि जब आप अपने कॉलेज के लिए सारे आइटम्स अरेंज करो, सो आपको एक लिस्ट फॉर्म कर लेनी चाहिए बिकॉज इट्स गोइंग टू बी रियली वेरी हेल्पफुल. ओके, सब आप लिस्ट फॉर्म कर लोगे एंड यू कैन टिक द आइटम्स विच यू हैव टेकन, सो इट्स गोना बी वेरी वेरी हेल्पफुल. ऑलराइट, सो मैंने भी एक लिस्ट फॉर्म की है, उसकी हेल्प से आई एम गोना टेल यू कि क्या क्या आप ले जा सकते हो. So first we are going to start with clothes, okay, because the basic things first. All right, so when it comes to clothes, they have to be very less when you move in initially, right? Because starting में अगर आप बहुत सारा luggage ले जाओगे, so you don't know where you have to actually go and settle. You going to go for the first time, you're gonna look for your PG or hostel or whatever it is. So it's very important you carry as much less luggage as possible. So कम clothes लेना आपको, like a few pairs. उसमें you can get a few shirts because it's going to be formal sometimes. Pants definitely yes, and try to get neutral colored tops and t-shirts because they can be paired easily with anything. अगर आप ऐसे colors ले रहे हो या फिर ऐसे designer tops ले रहे हो जो आप सिर्फ selectively pair कर सकते हो, so it's going to get a little difficult after a point of time when you would want to wear something new. Okay, so that is why I am suggesting कि आप कुछ neutrals लो when it comes to clothes. After that it comes कि sometimes like in most of the colleges when I talk about, so week के कुछ ही days में classes होती है, rest of the days it's an off, like sometimes 2 days and sometimes once a week. So उसके लिए आपको कुछ like daily wear clothes चाहिए, so you need to carry your night suits and also some clothes which you can wear at home. Okay, so this was basically everything about clothes. If you want a detailed video in this, then do comment me in the comment section and it will be definitely ready for you guys. So yeah, clothes में basically यही चीज़ें थी. And seasonable clothes लेना है, of course it's mandatory, like it's common, इसमें कुछ बताने लायक है नहीं. And you can take one jacket, I can say, in case winters hit, so for that time. And yeah, that is it. Now moving on to footwears, you can get I think 2 pairs of shoes because if it's monsoon season or something like that, so if one get wet, so you have another to wear. So footwear में shoes are compulsory because comfortable होना is the most important thing when it comes to college because आपको उसे daily wear करना है. Then a pair of slippers or flip flops, and bathroom slippers have to be separate, like for wearing in your hostel or PG for daily use, and some flip flops that you wear outside. So definitely that one. That is it for the footwears. If you want to carry any heels or something for specific events, so मैं ये suggest करूँगी कि initially जब आप शुरू में जा रहे हो तो don't carry them, you can get them afterwards. That is it. Footwears is now done. Moving on to stationery items. Stationery items, it could be a nice backpack, like I'm gonna show you mine. This is the one that I got for college. Actually I have others as well, but again I'm saying you the same thing कि ज़्यादा luggage आप initially नहीं लेके जाओ, so it's going to be really very helpful. So this is the one I'm taking right now. I'm going to show you what's inside. Okay, so सबसे पहले a file folder is really important to store your free papers and everything. Then I'm an ardent reader, definitely yes. So I'm taking these few books with me. And yeah, one of them is fiction, one is non-fiction. I think 2 would be enough for now at least. Then I have a general knowledge notebook, like book, which is for 2024. Then I have a few diaries. I really love diaries, so definitely I'm taking these. And a few notebooks with me, like 2 I have for now. This is it. And you can see that these are really thin because definitely it's college, not a school or like coaching anything. So I'm taking these. Then comes stationery box. So inside it definitely I have 2 pens, a few highlighters, pencils, erasers and sticky notes. That is it. Okay, I have a few bookmarks and all this, sticky notes. And yes, I definitely like carrying this pocket diary because it's very important when you need to remember something. Definitely we have phone now these days, but still I like writing it down. So yep, that is it for the backpack, I think, and we are getting this. Then you have to get a lunch box to, you know, keep leftovers in. You need to get a water bottle. It has to be thermosteel so that your water is cold and hot respectively. Then you need to get an electric kettle, which is again very important. Here I have mine. Okay, you can boil water, you can go for black coffee, you can go for Maggi. It has multiple uses. So yeah. And after that, some face towels and hand towels are very important. Then you have to get handkerchiefs, again very important. Ek umbrella. Next come toiletries like shampoo and some other vaginal products. If you use any, then you need to get a brush, toothpaste and everything. So basic things, just keep in mind. I'm just reminding you guys, right? Soap or body wash, whatever it is. Also one another important thing is you need to get a soap for washing your clothes down and also your utensils down, if any. Like if you even have a lunch box, so you need to wash it sometimes, so you need that. Okay, so try to remember it. Also I have a pair of knives, and one is the peeling one and other is the slicing knife. Both are important, so you need to get these. You need to get a few utensils as well, like a bowl, then plate, spoon, basic things. Scissors, very important. Cello tape, again important. Like these are some of the things which we generally forget. That's why I'm trying to, you know, remind you everything. Okay, I guess that is it you need when it comes to the basic necessity things. And apart from this, you can get a broom, like it depends on your PG or hostel, and a bucket and a mug, storage organizers, and definitely a medicines kit. So if I get specific about the medicine kit, तो उसमें कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होनी चाहिए जो आप, of course, like medicine is something जो आपके hostel और PG के around available होगा ही if you get it in a nice place, but जो आपको ऐसा है कि इमरजेंसी में कभी भी चाहिए हो सकता है, वो आप रख सकते हो. लाइक डोंट मेक इट अ बिग वन, बट अ स्मॉल थिंग्स आर डेफिनेटली रिक्वायर्ड. तो उसमें मैं स्पेसिफिक हूँ तो इट्स गोना बी हेडेक या स्टमक एक, उसकी टैबलेट्स, फीवर, thermometer and a band-aid. I think these would do enough, and you can get an ointment as well if you need. So that is it for the medicines kit. उसके बाद में स्टोरेज ऑर्गेनाइजर्स लेने हैं आपको, कुछ पाउचेस लेने हैं, लॉक एंड की डो नॉट फॉरगेट, यू नीड टू हैव. आई थिंक यू शुड गेट 2, बट एक बार आप 1 लेके जा सकते हो. इन केस यू नीड मोर, यू कैन परचेज इट डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम देयर. सो लॉक एंड की हैज़ टू बी इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड एक्सटेंशन बोर्ड, येस, एक्सटेंशन बोर्ड इज़ समथिंग जो मैं भी इनिशियली भूल गई थी, बट देन आई थॉट कि येस यू नीड इट, बिकॉज कॉलेज और हॉस्टल में क्या होता है कि एवरीवेयर प्लग्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल. ओके, एंड व्हेन यू हैव मल्टीपल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस, सो इट बिकम्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गेट इट. सो एक्सटेंशन बोर्ड डेफिनेटली एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जो आपको आई रिकमेंड. नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर यू गाइज. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू गेट स्पेसिफिक अबाउट गर्ल्स. सो अगेन स्टार्टिंग विद द क्लोथ्स, you have to get some casuals, definitely t-shirts, tops, pants, but traditionals in Indian colleges is something which is totally hyped. Like I know that it is necessary to wear traditional sometimes, but बहुत ज़्यादा लो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है. But you need to have some kurtis which should look like decent looking kurtis. Okay, they should not be like over designer or something. Basic ones I would rather say. सो वो लेना काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है. लॉन्ग कुर्तीज़, शॉर्ट कुर्तीज़, यू नीड टू गेट दोज. देन व्हेन इट कम्स टू फॉर सम लाइक इवेंट्स एंड समथिंग, तो उसके लिए ड्रेसेस होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हेन आई एम सेइंग ड्रेसेस, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वन पीसेस बेसिकली. सो वन पीसेस लो, आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट टू कैरी मैनी एट द फर्स्ट, बट आई थिंक यू कैन गेट 2 एंड अ साड़ी एज वेल, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, देन ऑर्नामेंट्स. ऑर्नामेंट्स में आई एम गोना शो यू माइन फर्स्ट. ओके, सो गाइज अगेन बेसिकली मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं लिया है, बट मैं दिखा देती हूँ आपको जो भी मैंने लिया है. सो दिस इज़ द बॉक्स जिसमें मैंने अपने ऑर्नामेंट्स ऑर्गेनाइज किए हैं, स्टार्टिंग विद दिस चोकर. ओके गाइज, so first of all, please excuse my hand, I was just trying some lip shades. Okay, it's okay, these are girly things, you guys understand it, I know this. This is going to be a choker. I have 2. Another is this really basic one, but I've got it. I really like this pearl necklace because you can pair it with everything, like literally everything. तो ये लिया है मैंने. उसके बाद में this is again for the neck. It's really beautiful. Yeah. Okay. This bracelet I got for hands. Then I got so many pairs of earrings, like not so many, but I got a good number of them. First of all, I just confused my earrings with my bangles. These are the basic bangle things because I don't like it, too fancy, to be honest. And this is the earring I got. Oh god, where's my one piece? Okay, here it is. So I got these basic earrings. इनको आप जीन्स टॉप के साथ और मतलब ऑलमोस्ट एवरी वेस्टर्न वियर के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो, इसलिए मैंने ये डेफिनेटली लिए हैं. यू कैन गेट दीज इन गोल्डन शेड एज वेल. देन झुमकास, एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट्स फॉर एनी ट्रेडिशनल वेयर. तो ये मैंने ब्लू वाले लिए हैं. दीज आर रियली टू गुड. ओह गॉड, आई ड्रॉप्ड इट. एक्चुअली गुड. देन आई गॉट दीज. आई रियली लाइक देम. देन ये बहुत ज़्यादा प्यारे हैं गाइस, क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम छोटे से है, सो आप इन्हें कभी भी किसी के साथ कैरी कर सकते हो. दिस इज़ अ हेयर पिन जो मैंने एक्सीडेंटली इसमें पुट कर दिया है बिकॉज इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ माई हेयर एसेसरीज एंड आई हैव अनदर पाउच फॉर दैट एंड दीज वाइट वंस फॉर श्योर. सो दैट इज़ इट फॉर द ऑर्नामेंट एवरीवन. उसके बाद में मुझे अगेन कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बेसिक चीज़ें याद आ गई. सो पहले मैं वो बता देती हूँ. सन ग्लासेस, कैप एंड अ स्कार्फ. इफ़ यू आर मूविंग इन टू समर्स, बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो डेफिनेटली लेना ही है आपको, राइट. उसके बाद में वी आर मूविंग टू सम एब्सोल्यूट फेवरेट थिंग्स फॉर गर्ल्स, दैट इज़ द मेकअप थिंग्स. लेट्स गो इनटू इट. सो गाइज, मेकअप में थिंग वाज लाइक दैट कि मेरे पास था थोड़ा एंड सम आई हैड टू बाय फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. सो मैंने उसे आज ही परचेज़ किया है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी डू अ हॉल. आई रियली लव दिस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मेकअप बोल के मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ समथिंग नॉन मेकअप, बट इट्स ओके, आई गॉट दिस. सो दिस वन, आई होप यू गॉट व्हाट इज दिस. या सो गाइज, दीज आर आई स्लीव्स, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर समर्स, जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था. देन आई गॉट कॉफ़ी एंड माई कॉफ़ी कप. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इन द क्यू we have wheat girls. These are just some girl thing. I think I should get it all out at once and then show you. Yeah, that would be really better. Okay, so this is going to be my makeup pouch guys. ये मैंने पहले बना लिया था. मेकअप लाने से पहले मैंने मेकअप पाउच डिसाइड कर लिया था और इसमें कुछ चीज़ें मैंने ऑलरेडी रख दी थी, जैसे कि दिस लैक्मे आइकॉनिक काजल girls चाहिए यार, this is basic. Then I have this L'Oreal Paris makeup brushes set, basic Nivea lip balm and Malia baby powder. Now guys, don't ask me why I use baby powder because I think he very some natural kind of vibes थोड़ा देता है. So yeah, did it make any sense? No, it did not, but I had to say it. Yes, I had to. Okay. All right guys, so then I got this moisturizer cream everyone, and this foundation, right? Yeah, this is a foundation, Fit Me foundation, Maybelline, and the shade I got is 115. It also has SPF. I got a really smaller one, and I got two lipsticks. One is liquid and the other is non-liquid. So this is the shade I got in the first one. I forgot its name. Yes, it's very nude, M22. I hope you guys can see this. Okay, so I got this. I got it today. Okay, I hope you guys saw this. Then the other one is liquid lipstick. Liquid lipstick is very essential because this can also act as blusher. Although this one also can, but I prefer using this. Again, this is nude brown guys. I really prefer nude colors, so like need not judge me that I've got all nude ones. This is my preference. I can show you. Okay, this is the color. So yeah, a little brownish kind of, as the name suggests. Okay, so we are done with this lipstick thing. Apart from this, I got this niacinamide face wash. It also has vitamin B3, so I got this one. And then I have this Mama Earth Hydra Glow CC serum. Is it visible, everyone? It has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. Okay. Then I have these makeup wipes. Okay, again important, like without makeup भी और भी बहुत चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ आते हैं, तो ले लिया मैंने. And sunscreen, definitely. I forgot to show you this, right? Mama Earth sunscreen. ठीक है. These are the basic things that I got for makeup, everyone. Because मुझे नहीं लगता कि ज़्यादा makeup की मुझे ज़रूरत थी, इसलिए I avoided items like concealer and everything. But एक चीज़ जो मुझे skip हो गई है और मतलब मुझे लाना बाकी है, that is going to be liner. So yeah, you can get that as well. So this is going to be my makeup pouch in which I'm going to keep all this stuff. Okay, then you have to take some hair accessories. So again, let's go for that part. This is my pouch for hair accessories. This is huge. Voila! First one is this. It's so cute and it's my absolute favorite because of this bow and this great print. Okay. Then I have a few rubber bands, guys. Rubber bands again are very important. I have some really, like fancy ones as well. And I have some really regular ones like these scrunchies. Scrunchies very important. That's why I got 5 to 6 of them. I'm gonna show you all. I got all of them in different colors so that they can match my outfits respectively. So I got these in different colors. A white basic rubber band. These were some important hair ties I had to show you. And I had a few more. Just a minute. Where did it go? Okay. Yeah, here it is. This cheetah printed hairband again. And these are some really normal ones. Okay. Then I have some small clutches in different colors. I have 3 of them. I hope you can see this. And I have a big one as well because my hairs have a little volume. I don't think it's looking like that right now, but they have, guys, believe me. So उसके लिए बड़ा clutcher होना ज़रूरी है. तो एक white वाला मैंने ले लिया, एक और 2 clutchers and some clips. So I think आपको अब सारा याद आ गया है कि like hair ties and accessories में आपको क्या सारा लेना है. If you want some fancy ones, जैसा कि मैंने आपको अभी पहले दिखाया था एक girls वाला like fancy सी hair clip, so उस टाइप के आप ले सकते हो. It depends from person to person, choice to choice. And a comb. Comb is again a part of hair things. Then you can get some handbags or sling bags. Tote bag. Tote bag is something I do not prefer. I know that I am going to get a lot of hatred for saying this because a lot of people prefer tote bag, but I do not. So I'm not getting it. But I prefer backpacks. अभी के लिए जब शुरू में जाओ, you can get 1 or maximum 2, and then you can get a few handbags like sling bags. Again आप basic colors में लोगे, so it's going to be helpful for you guys. बिकॉज आप उसे किसी भी आउटफिट के साथ कैरी कर सकते हो. अदरवाइज होगा क्या कि कुछ आउटफिट के साथ वो मैच होगा एंड कुछ के साथ नहीं होगा. सो यू विल आइदर हैव टू बाई अ न्यू वन, स्पेंड सम मनी, बट इफ यू गेट सम बेसिक वंस यू कैन गेट इट लाइक विद एवरी अदर आउटफिट. सो आई गॉट अ वाइट वन. ओके, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस you need a lock and a key to lock everything which is personal, a wallet to keep your cash and free money. Then install some important apps in your phone, guys. That's going to be PhonePe definitely, or any other online payment app that has to be. Then social media तो आजकल सबके पास है. What else to say about it? You can get some music apps. You can get some safety apps, especially for girls, like 112 India app has been released by the government of India, which is very helpful for girls. It tracks your location even when the network is not available. So such apps are really important for you to keep in your phone. Like if you are moving to cities like Delhi, वैसे इट्स नॉट सिटी स्पेसिफिक ऑल दो, बट स्टिल आई एम लाइक टेलिंग यू वेयर इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो उस टाइप की सिटीज़ में अगर आप मूव इन कर रहे हो, सो यू नीड टू गेट सम ऑफ safety apps as well. Then online payment app is very important for you. Then some note taking app you can get if you have an iPad for taking notes. So Notion is a really great app for note taking. Okay, then a mirror is a very essential component in case your room does not have one. उसके अलावा बेड शीट्स एंड पिलो कवर्स एंड ब्लैंकेट्स खुद के लिए जाने होते हैं स्पेसिफिक, राइट. वॉच, वॉल क्लॉक, अलार्म क्लॉक, ये सब आपको लेके जाना है. फॉर गर्ल्स सैनिटरी पैड्स इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ लेके जानी है, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी ब्रेन्स. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू बी स्पेसिफिक अबाउट थिंग्स, टू से नो टू थिंग्स, टू explore yourself in those college years. At the end, what shapes your life is not going to be that college, is not going to be those specific degrees. It's going to be what you learn there, what you explore there, how you experience there, how's your friend circle. At the end, these things are going to make you the person which you're going to be at the end of those 3 or 4 years. So guys, that was it from my side. If you want some other videos on anything specific, do let me know in the comment section and I'll definitely try to get it for you guys. Thank you so much. Keep watching. Do subscribe.